Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Agi Nur Apriliani. My student ID number 2519X001. I am graduate student of the Master of Geography Education, Program Faculty of Social Science, Universitas Negeri Padang. Today I will present topic entitled Presentation of Qualitative Research Methods. This presentation is part of the course supervised by Professor Dr. Dedi Hermon, SPD MP, and Dr. Bayu Wijayanto, MPD. In this presentation, I hope you can understand qualitative research objective. The main objective of qualitative research is to understand social phenomena and symptoms by focusing more on a complete picture of the phenomena. Back study rather than breaking it down into interrelated variables. Let's start from begin. Definition of qualitative research methods. Qualitative research methods are a systematic approach to understanding social phenomena from the perspective of participants. Definition of qualitative research methods according to experts. One, John W. Creswell. Creswell stated that qualitative research is a approach to exploring and understanding meanings that are considered to originate from social or humanitarian issues. He emphasizes that researchers must develop complex descriptive and investigative work, report informed views, and conduct study in natural context. 2. Lexi Jumlong. According to Mlong, qualitative research is research that aims to understanding the phenomena experienced by research subject holistically by describing world in their natural context and utilizing scientific methods. 3. Bogdan and Bicklin. Bogdan and Bicklin define qualitative research. A researcher produce descriptive and data in the form of written or spoken word from people and observed behavior. Qualitative research objective. The main objective of the qualitative research is to understand social phenomena and symptoms by focusing more on a complex picture of the phenomenon by study rather than breaking it down into interrelated variables. Next, characteristic of qualitative research. Researchers interpret what the study using subject perception to provide a context that explain a phenomenon. 2. The purpose of research is to develop concepts that can explain the meanings of the phenomenon. 3. Hypothesis testing is not carried out because the context or social environment determines how data is collected. 4. The concept of knowledge in the form of themes, motive, taxonomies, and generalization is not new. Next, generalization are not made based on probability rules, but through the attraction of facts from data found in the file and presenting terms in a coherent and consistent picture. Type of qualitative research methods. 1. Case study. A case study is to that study explores a problem with details, limitation, involves in-depth data collection, and includes various sources of information. This study is limited by time and place, and the case study are program event, activists, or individual. 2. Ethnography. Ethnography is the description and interpretation of a culture or social group system. Researchers examine the group and study pattern of behavior, custom, and way of life. Ethnography is both a process and result of research. As a process, ethnography involves like observation of a group in which the researcher participates and the daily life of the respondent, or conduct individual interview with members of the group. Researchers study the meaning of very behavioral language and interaction within the group. Phenomenology. Phenomenology research attempts to explain or reveal the meaning of concept or phenomena of experience based on the consciousness or several individuals. This research is conducted in natural situations, so there are no restriction or interpreting on understanding the phenomena by study. 4. Grounded theory. The purpose of grounded theory approves to general of discover a theory related to a specific situation. This situation is where individuals interact, act, or engage in a process in response to an event. The essence of the grounded theory approach is development of a theory that is closely related to the context of the event-based study. Biography. Biographical research is the study for individual entire experience, which are recounted by collecting document and archive. The purpose of research is to reveal turning points or epiphanies, which are interesting experiences that greatly influence or change a person's life. Researchers interpret subject as the subject position themselves. Next, qualitative research step. 1. Definition of the research problem. The research defines the research problem based on facts or previous observation. 2. Formulate hypothesis. On one or more hypotheses regarding the relationship between variables Instead, some formulate hypotheses but produce hypotheses as conclusions of their research result. 3. Create operational definition. Concept, construct variables or terms in this investigation are defined definition while enable investigator to have to common understanding of the investigation objective. Operational definition also describe that the observation method is the appropriate method for the investigation. Qualitative research step 4. Designs the research tools. Approached observed are selected the research may use data collected in previous study. Instruction are prepared regarding the items to be observed and recorded, as well as how to record them. Observed are retained and the research tools are tested. The validity and reliability of the tool are established. 5. Collects data. Data is collected by observer using the specified tools. Analyze data. That the data obtained is compared with the hypothesis made new finding from the investigation, which may not be related to the hypothesis are examined by the investigator. The result of the analysis are interpreted. Discussion is held to compare the findings with the result of previous investigation. Draw conclusion. Conclusion are drawn which may support or refute the hypothesis. Exploratory investigation might be sufficient to generate hypothesis. Conclusions must be specific information that can aid decision making. Recommendation for decision making are made based on test conclusions. Next, investigation report. The main investigation report is written as completely and researchery as possible. Data collection technique. Commonly used methods include in-depth interview, next, participatory, non-participatory observation, documentation, notes, archive, photo, video, and ads, and focus group discussion. Qualitative data analysis. Analysis is conducted simultaneously during the data collection process. The general steps are data reduction, supporting, simplifying, and focusing in important data. Data presentation, compiling information in the form of the narrative table or charts. Drawing, conclusions, verification, finding patterns, themes, and meanings. Advantages and disadvantages of qualitative research. Advantages of qualitative research: 1. In-depth and contextual. Flexible and adaptive, and suitable for complex and under-researched phenomena. Disadvantages of qualitative research cannot be generalized broadly. High subjective, requires time and intensive involvement. And thank you for attention.